Hello, James Glizio from RPG Site here. We just got a package in the mail and we have a pretty good idea what might be inside it. So, let's open it up. What we've got here is the Japan exclusive Monster Hunter World PlayStation 4 Pro Limited Edition system. And we are going to be unboxing this beautiful little system and seeing what it comes with. So, after getting rid of a bunch of bubble wrap, we can finally begin the unboxing proper. So, we see the box. I believe this is actually just a slip cover over a more standard PS4 Pro box. We've got the Rathalos print, Monster Hunter World, Japanese name for Rathalos Edition. Not even going to try to pronounce that. 4K HDR, Capcom, all that good stuff. And on the back, got the symbols for the different voyages. First, second, third, fourth, and I believe this is the fifth, which is the one that actually takes place in the game. This is actually embossed. Didn't realize this. So it has a bit of a texture. It tells you what the system comes with down here. Let me bring it closer to the camera. So it comes with the PS4 Pro. Comes with the controller, a code for the game, comes with a theme that's exclusive to the game, to the system, and 2 months of PlayStation Plus. Japan only, of course. Alright, so, let's see what's actually in here. Oh, and there's also a picture of the limited edition system on the side. So you can actually see it comes with a digital copy, and then there's the system. You can see it a bit better there. Yeah. I was right. It was just a slipcover for a regular PS4 Pro box, or at least a more standard one. You will be seeing that there are some differences inside. Let's open this up. So we've got 2 boxes in here, and I see the code in there. You can't, thankfully, so I'll just leave that in there for now. Anyways, so we've got 2 boxes here. We've got the one that's, well, kind of a box, not really, but we have the PS4 Pro right here. So let's open this up first. Or, well, it's kind of already open, but you get what I mean. Oh, wow. Wow, here it is. It's the Rathalos Edition PS4 Pro. A bit glossy, so you can actually see a bit of my face in the reflection there. And definitely looks better without any light, so let's tilt this down a bit, or at least, yeah, you can see it better that way. Lots of reflections. Looks better in person, because it has a bit of a mixture of matte textures and gloss. Very nice looking. You can see Monster Hunter World in the bottom. It is a Monster Hunter system after all. Now let's take a look at the controllers. So in this box we have the controller and we have the power cable as well as the USB cable for the controller. And where the HDMI is, maybe it's in there too? Should come from the HDMI. How am I going to open this up? That is the question. So, pop it open, and oh, there's the HDMI cable. And here's the mono headset that comes with a mic. Don't need this. And here, that works, is the controller. Anyways, this is a new edition PS4 controller. Probably can't really see it in the light, but there is a portion on the touchpad for the light to shine through. Now here's the controller. Got Rathalos wings on both sides. Got the shiny Monster Hunter emblem on the right portion of the controller. The lots of gold accents, like the D-pad has gold around it. Sony's lettering is gold. Yeah, you can see it. Includes the options and the share button. And yeah, just standard PS4 controller, except Monster Hunter themed. So, in conclusion, it looks like we've got the system itself, the cables, standard cables, including the power, USB for the controller, HDMI 2.0, I believe, and the standard mono headset. Still got the glossy PS4 Pro right there. Oh, this is probably the best shot I've gotten of it. And we've got the codes, which I am not going to be showing. Anyways, look forward to our review on RPGsite.net for Monster Hunter World. It should be going up. Not quite sure when. As of the time of this recording, we actually haven't gotten code yet. But by the time this goes up, who knows? Chances are we'll be halfway through our review. Anyways, stay tuned.